Meta, interesting enough, had a big gap down, and I said I'll explain why it met its target. Look at Meta's pullback. Meta in this case had also an island cluster reversal. Why island cluster? Big gap up on the February earnings, formed a set of well, candles in a cluster, and then gap down on heavy volume on the climb, heavy volume on the drop. That measure target formed 473, right, to 531. That's roughly 60 points. 60 and subtract 2, about 58 points. 58 points from 473 is 415. Guess where it met? 414.5, very close to its target, 415. So this was actually a smart money opportunity. This is what algos do. Algos measure the target and they start buying like crazy. So yes, this Meta touched intraday yesterday at 414, closed a lot higher for the day. That means there was buying through the day. So it didn't close at the low, it closed towards the highs of the day. That in some way means that this could turn out to be a bit of a support now, 414, and from there Meta could either trend in the range bound between 414 to 440. The key thing though is this gap is just around 401. 400, 401. So there's a possibility that this gap could close if QQQ has to head lower. This is a bearish cross. The 20-day is crossed below the 50, declining. The 50 is plateauing out. So if this bearish cross continues rhythm and starts pointing lower, it's possible that we could come and close the gap on Meta near 400. If it turns out that Meta further declines, then there is reasonably chance that it could find support near this 360 level, is where it has tested resistance in the past, which now kind of becomes support, something to look at if Meta breaks 400 and goes lower.